Today I'm going to introduce you all a new service, Amazon Comprehend. So what this service is going to do means it's going to analyze text. So it is used to analyze different types of text. Like what type of text it analyze means uh, paragraph, documents, then it's like it analyze product reviews, very important. Then it analyze emails. So every day some companies receives multiple emails, no, manually reading it is very difficult. So using Amazon comprehend, we can analyze emails. And next, chat messages, then social media posts. So these are all some examples what type of text this Amazon Comprehend analyze. So what type of file format this Amazon Comprehend supports means like .txt files, then CSV and JSON files. This Amazon Comprehend supports, and it can able to detect 100 plus languages. Then using this Amazon Comprehend, we can analyze what language that particular text. Then it analyze means particularly it analyze 12 plus languages, which means it analyze specific 12 languages in all ways. What type of results it will give, which means identify from that particular text means what it identify from this type of text means. First one is it analyze and give results in 6 ways. So first one is sentiment analysis. This is particularly we can say for product reviews. So it we are seeing that positive, negative, and how many stars if the like customers giving to that particular product, we can see, right? That is based on this sentiment analysis. So it can identify positive review or negative review, like that it will return the results, or neutral, mixed, like that this first way will return the results. So I'm going to this Amazon Comprehend service. So if you search comprehend, you can see here, analyze unstructured text. So how it work means like it already, okay. So need to extract insights means, so I already told here what type of text it analyze, like it saying social media post, email, web pages, documents, phone transcripts and medical records. And when we analyze using Amazon comprehend, it gives some types of results, and it gives some uh, identification from that particular text. Then we can store that results in different ways, extract data, topics and document classification with confidence scores. I'll explain about confidence score. Then I'm just giving some demo on this. I'm going to give some demo. When I click launch, it's showing two different uh, options. First is real-time analysis with built-in models. So in this Amazon Comprehend, it already have some built-in models, which is used to directly we can copy paste the text, and we can check the analysis, which means we can check the results. This custom real-time analysis is used to when we need, particularly for our business data sets. For example, like any particular text, or particularly some businesses like law, in the law related part, we have different text documents, like it depends upon that acts. So we can create a custom real-time analysis with endpoint. We can able to train that model using some set of data, and we can create an endpoint, and then we can analyze the text. Built-in means it's already trained with some data sets. Custom real-time analysis means we can able to train that AI as per our text. Okay. So I'm going to remove this text. See, here I have some text to show you various identification of Amazon Comprehend. So first one is sentiment analysis. I have some mobile review. What is this text? The mobile design looks premium, but the performance is disappointing. It have both positive and negative related text. So I'm going to copy this text and pasting here in the input text area. And when I click analyze text, it will give the result of sentiment. So you can see neutral. Neutral is 0, positive is 0, negative is 0.1%, and mixed. It is mixed. 100, it's saying 0.98% confidence of mixed feeling, because it have both the positive and negative. Looks premium, but the performance is disappointing. Like that, it's saying. Then in the entities section, no results. Key phrases. How it analyzing this sentence by using key phrases. In this sentence, these are all the key phrases. So mobile design, premium, and the performance are key phrases. Using these key phrases, it analyzing that sentiment and giving us result. Then this a language is English. We can see and we can understand this is what language is this. When this language part is comes, I will give you with a different language and language text, and I'll show you the result. So PII is personal identifies like phone numbers, emails. So in this text, we don't have any emails or phone numbers like personal identifying numbers or other numbers in no that type of details. So it's showing empty. I already shown you the sentiment. Target sentiment, it's showing mobile is positive and design is positive, but performance is negative. It's showing no. So positive score here is 90, 0.99, 0.99, and the negative score is also there because it's mixed. And the syntaxes it's showing like what type of text we are giving. It's showing it is if the person means it's showing like that. So parts of speech, the is a determiner and the mobile is adjective, like it's showing the what each word is, like it's showing. So first uh, I say sentiment analysis, and the next one, next is entity detection. So entities means it's like a person, place, or location, organization, date. These are all entities. If the text having person, place, organization, date, and all means, it will detect and show the different entities. So we can see the example for this. So next example text for entity detection is Priya joined TCS in Bangalore in March 2024. So I'm going to copy this text and paste it, paste it in Amazon Comprehend, and I'll show the entity detection of this text. So when I click Analyze, in the entities section, first one is entities. So these are all the entities. It's showing Priya as a person, TCS is organization, and Bangalore is a location. March 2024 is date. So it's showing different entities of particular text. Okay. Key phrases, Priya and TCS Bangalore, March 24. These are all the key phrases, which means keywords. Languages, English, we all know. And personally identifiable information is name, address, date. These are all PII. So then next, sentiment. So in this text, there is no sentiments. So all it's showing zero. Neutral, because there is no sentiments. It's just a sentence with some name, organization name. It's only shoot for this entity related text. And target sentiment is also neutral. Then syntax, here it's showing Priya as a proper noun and joined is a verb. TCS is also a proper noun. Like that, each words it's showing the parts of speech. Okay. I'm going to next identification. Next is key phrase extraction. So it it show the keywords of particular text. So when it will be useful, like I already told you the example in laws when they are preparing for some judgments, like that means they'll read more documents, and then they have to prepare that keywords. That time it will be useful. It's like very big data. When we give that document in this Amazon comprehend means, it will fetch keywords of particular document. Okay. So for this I have a sentence with some law related words. So the defendant filed a right petition challenging the constitutional validity of the statute. So I'm going to copy this. And when I click analyze, in the key phrases, you can see this the defendant, a right petition, and the constitutional validity. When the lawyers see these keywords, he can easily understand this document, right? It extracting particular keywords here, and they can easily understand what that document is having, what type of case, like that they can easily understand. So like this type of use cases, we can use this key phrases. And the next example is language detection. So because I used all in a English, we already know this is English language. Uh, can anyone say what language is this? Any idea? This is a Spanish language. Little bit it's like English. I know few. Uh, I can understand few Spanish words. So here, Empresa is a company. Abrio is opened. Nueva Oficina is a new company, and en Marid means it's a place. So what this sentence is, the company opened in a new office in Marid. Marid is a place. So like this different language, we can detect the text language using comprehend. So I'm going to copy this and paste here. When I click analyze, before when I click language, it's shown like English. Here it's showing Spanish ES. The code is ES. For Spanish, the code is ES. ES means Spanish. So it's saying 0.99 confidence, it's showing. And the key phrases is office and opening new office in married is a place. It's showing. And next detection or identifier is PII detection. So I already told personally identifiable information, email, mobile number, or like Aadhaar number, it can detect. So now I'll show example for this. My name is Rahul Sharma and my phone number is this. Like I have a sentence. I'm copying this sentence and paste it here. And when I click analyze, before if you go PII means there is no PII, personally identifiable. So now when I click PII, it's showing Rahul Sharma as name and the mobile number as this. So it extracting that particular PII, personally identifiable information, analyze mode. So, and finally, the last one is syntax analysis. So, what it analyze means grammatical structure of sentence. So, this is the example sentence. After the meeting ended, the manager sent a detailed report to the clients. So when I go to this syntax, it's showing it's a subordinating conjunction, and determiner, noun, verb, and punctuations like that. It's showing each comma, dot, and everything in a grammatical identification of that particular sentence. So I explained you about different ways of identification. But how it identifying these type of analysis, how comprehend working behind, oh, how it analyzing. How it analyzing means AWS comprehend is NLP. NLP means natural language processing service. So this natural language processing uses machine learning, and the second one it uses deep learning. Then pre-trained AI models. So Amazon comprehend is pre-trained with large set of data. So how they trained this comprehend means, so I just showed you 6 examples, but Amazon comprehend is trained with big set of data. So it have pre-trained AI models and also large data set trained. So I explained about what type of text it analyze and what type of results it's give and how it giving the result. So today when I show the demo, I'll just copy paste each text and paste it here and clicking analyze. But it is not the right way of doing the analyze. I'll show a simple demo. Like, I have a text file, .txt file. I'm going to upload this text file to S3 bucket. And I'm going to create a function in Lambda. It's going to trigger comprehend service. Using comprehend, we can analyze these type of identifications, and then that results is going to be stored in DynamoDB database. Okay. I'm going to show this simple demo. It is very easy and quickly we can build this, right? It's like serverless, because S3 is also serverless, Lambda is serverless, comprehend we are not managing any servers, DynamoDB also serverless. So it's like a simple serverless and so on. Okay. So for step one, we need to create a S3 bucket with e-commerce review demo with the name. So I'm going to S3 service. So I'm in Singapore region. Okay. So I'll delete this. Maybe I think this. Okay. I'll use this because this bucket is empty. Okay, e-commerce review demo bucket is already ready. No more changes. Just click create bucket and give a name, create bucket. No changes in this properties or permission. No changes. Just create a bucket. Then next step is DynamoDB table, because I say we are going to store the results in DynamoDB. For that we need a DynamoDB table. So I'm going to create a table name with this review analysis. Okay. Table name is review analysis. I'll search for DynamoDB. So I'm clicking create table and I paste this review analysis. And we need a partition key review ID. Based on this review ID, this analyzed results is going to store. So this review ID, I choose data type is string. Then I click create table. That's it. Then next step, we need a IAM role for Lambda. It need to access all these services, because uh, I say I'm going to upload the text to S3 bucket and it going to trigger using Lambda, and Lambda is going to trigger a like comprehend, and after that it going to store the result in DynamoDB. So we need IAM role for Lambda to access all these services, right? So I'm going to create a IAM role with this name, Lambda comprehend role, with S3 read only access, comprehend full access, DynamoDB full access, and basic Lambda execution role. So I'm going to IAM service. I'm going to roles and clicking create role. Here I'm trusting AWS service. My use case is for Lambda. Then clicking next. Here I'm going to give a permission to access S3 read only. Then comprehend full access. DynamoDB full access. Then Lambda basic execution role. So I added 4 permissions, right? 4 permissions. And I'm clicking next. I'm giving name Lambda comprehend role. So you can see this 4 permissions and I'm clicking create role. And next we have to create a Lambda function. I have a code. What this code having means it have some like it have some libraries, and it have the AWS service clients, which is S3 Comprehend and DynamoDB, and Lambda is going to act as a integration layer between storage, uh, which means S3, AI, which means Comprehend, and database, which means DynamoDB. So the next is review analysis is a table name, and this is going to insert the results. And the next is Lambda trigger. Lambda is going to trigger required. And then bucket is extracting, like processing files, file details and metadata, and then read files using this uh, part. And then language detection related, not language response, like language related things. Then like sentiment responses, comprehend or detect sentiments. Then this is uh, for float to decimal, because it giving results like 0.99 directly. We cannot able to store that float, so we are converting it to decimal and storing it to DynamoDB table. Then what type of results it will store in the DynamoDB table means review ID, file name, then text review text, and the language, sentiment, and confidence score. It will store these uh, results in the DynamoDB table. These are all some uh, items inside the table. It will create when I upload, and it will, I just created review ID only, but when I upload text, it will create other fields and it stores the results. That's it. So I'm going to Lambda service. I'm just creating function with a name. Review processor. So we need Python 3.12, and we already created the role which have the basic Lambda execution role. I'm going to use that, and I'm pasting the function name and changing this to Python 3.12, and I'm going to use existing role, which is Lambda comprehend role, and I'm clicking create function. I'm going to copy this code So I just paste that code which I copied from file, and I'm clicking deploy. After this, we need to trigger okay. Okay, I replace that code. Then we need to trigger when I upload any text document to S3, it should trigger, right? For that, we need to add a trigger. In this configuration section, you can see the triggers. I'm going to add trigger. My trigger source is S3. When I upload file in S3, it should trigger. My bucket name is like e-commerce review demo. Okay, this is my bucket name, and I acknowledge and adding trigger. Okay, I think in the properties I need to delete this trigger because it's the trigger is already created. So I'm removing, and now I'm saying this to add trigger. So now the trigger is added, and the next step, I'm going to upload text to S3 bucket. It going to um, add the results in DynamoDB table. So let's upload text file in this add files. So I already shown you some example text, right? I'm going to upload the same text. When I upload, so here you can see explore table items. It's stored. Okay, before this is empty. Now it stored the results. So in the actions, we can download this result, and it's showing each review text. Okay. And review ID, it generated the review ID, and the file name text.txt. It's showing 6 different text, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. I mentioned the numbers, so it's showing that. And it showing the results here. And we can also, I think, actions. Okay, how to view this in a JSON format? Okay, now I'm going to show you real-time review. Okay, from this Amazon.in, I'm going to pick one review and paste it in the, I'm going to paste this review 1.txt, and I'll show you the result. Okay. From in this Amazon.in, I'm just choosing this furniture. I'll select this recliner. So this recliner so far having customer reviews. So I'm going to copy negative review. Okay. This is a negative review because this is 1 star. I'm going to copy this review and pasting here, making this. Oh, okay. Again, I'm going to like 5-star review. It will be sure positive review. I'm copying this and pasting. So my text file is review1.txt. You can see here no review text, right? Here it having 6 all text from text.txt. Now I'm going to upload this review. I just created this text which is extract from this amazon.in. I'm going to upload this review1.txt to s3 bucket. When I upload, it will trigger the lambda and comprehend, and it will store the results in dynamodb table. So I'm going to upload, add files. I'm going to upload review1.txt. Then when I click upload, it will show the result. Okay, positive, negative. So you can see review1.txt file. It's showing the result. It's like positive, and the product quality is amazing. It's mixed. Then this is a negative review because I copy paste this negative review, right? I purchased recliner. This review is negative. And the second one is positive review, that it's showing positive. So worth buying, good, comfortable. It's showing positive. And another one is negative review, so it's showing negative, right? So any doubts in this?
No, ma'am, clear explanation.
So, like real world scenario means, like I shown you e-commerce product reviews, and for email monitoring, like bank will receives uh, thousands of emails daily. Using that keyword, that it will extract unauthorized transactions and fraud, OTP related. It can uh, extract the key phrases, and mainly for HR resume screening, we can use this Amazon Comprehend, and I'll show the customers of Amazon Comprehend. Okay, maybe wait. So when I click customers, so Ascent is using this Amazon Comprehend, Exxon Mobil, and Finra. These are all some customers of Amazon Comprehend. Then when I go to pricing, pricing of Amazon comprehend is like 1 unit is equal to 100 characters. Okay, so 3 unit means 300 characters. The pricing is for up to 10 units. It is 0.001, okay, dollars. It's showing the over 50 units. It's showing. So the pricing is based on how much of text you analyze, and there is no running cost. When we input some text, how much text you analyze, that much cost you have to pay. Okay. For the first 100 MB, flat rate per job. So and then there is also comprehend medical. So you can see Amazon Comprehend Medical is another service which is mainly used for medical related, healthcare focused Amazon Comprehend. So it can analyze. Okay, I think this Singapore region is not supporting. I'm going just clicking. I'm not going to show any demo on this Amazon Comprehend Medical, but I'm just showing. It mainly focused healthcare related, and it is pre-trained with medical data, and it is eligible with HIPAA eligible, like Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It supports that, and it also supports medical coding, like it used in clinical notes and prescriptions, discharge summaries, like the text it analyze, and it particularly designed for this healthcare related uh, datas. So we can today I uploaded this file directly to S3, but in a real world, like when the customer giving review via mobile or web app, that will store in a database, and that database text is going to store in a JSON format of S3. We can create a lambda code to upload it to S3, then it will again trigger using lambda, like when in a real world, they cannot manually upload to S3. In this, upload also automatically will happen. After that, it will uh, extract the result and store it in different databases. Okay. Now, I'm going to delete this function and table. And I'm deleting this. Then DynamoDB table. Yes. And I delete this bucket. Okay. Any doubts? Okay, thank you. I'll disconnect. I'll share this folder. You can also practice very easy steps. I mentioned the steps here, and you can use this text and practice. You can practice. If you want, you can practice. Okay, thank you.